welcome to my channel. Smile, there's wine. No wine today. I have things to do, including opening up the Stitch Fix. My name is Emily. Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing fabulous out there. I have a quick fix, and I don't have too much time, so hopefully this will be a quick video as well. A quick fix, yes. So I have found that with Stitch Fix, if you send everything back, I have the style pass, so I can just send everything back and not be charged the $20 styling fee, which is a whole thing. So you might have to look into how to get that. But if I send everything back, they usually email me and they say, hey, do you want a quick fix? And I'm always like, yeah. But what I've been noticing lately is I have been getting a lot of 5 out of 5s. If you've checked out my other videos, you can find those below. I mean, my stylist has been rocking it. I've been getting so much stuff. I need nothing. Like, I'm almost like, oh my gosh, I have to slow down because I need nothing. But what I've been noticing is when I am getting those 5 out of 5s, then they're emailing me again saying, hey, do you want a quick fix? And I'm like, well, yeah. So this is a quick fix. I have just asked for very like beachy clothes. Not that I'm going to a beach. I would love to. I feel like the beach is so healing. I want to go to like a cold beach because it's warm here. So I want to go to like Fort Bragg area. Have you guys ever been there? Or we love this little place called Dillon Beach, which is near Bodega Bay. Just so like cool. You have to wear a sweater. Sounds fabulous. Anyways, where am I? I'm all over the place. So I wanted like some fun surf brands. Just like when I'm thinking of like surf brands, I'm thinking of like just like surf dresses, things you can just throw on over a bathing suit. Just nothing too constricting, just cool, you know? Anyways, let's see how she delivered. Here is my little note from my amazing stylist, Nicole. She's a rock star. If you're jealous and you want her, not that you're jealous, but if you're looking for a good stylist, let me know below and I will send you over her info. I don't know, or at least her name. I don't know if she's taking on new people or what, but she's been amazing.
Fix day, Emily. Surely summer is flying by, but the good news is that we are building up the cutest wardrobe for you. Isn't that exciting? I see that we had another home run last time, and I'm sure everything looks super cute on you. I can't wait to watch the new video. I love the theme this time around. It was definitely beachy season, and I was excited to put some cute styles together for you to try. While we did not have any surf brands, I wanted to start things off with this gorgeous gauzy dress by the General Good, which give ocean vibes all the way. Not to mention, the breezy fabric will definitely keep you feeling cool and comfortable in the sunshine. What better to pair it with than these adorable blue wedge sandals? I also saw these high-rise white shorts at a great price point. Let me know what you think.
Cool. Fabulous. All right, let's dive in. I'm not going to give the whole Stitch Fix spiel. I'm sure you pretty much know it. Okay, so I have a lot going on here. We have things falling out. We have shoes. All right, let's start with the things falling out. This is so adorable. Oh, and the material, it feels so good. This is another one of those freaking adorable, cute tanks I cannot get enough of. By Nine Britain. I mean, I think every Nine Britain little top that she sent me this year, I have bought. So cute. Let's check it out. Has it really fun? The print is a little bit much for me, but since all the colors are kind of in the same realm, I want to say, with these oranges, reds, and yellows, I feel like it's okay. And it's also kind of like fall-like, and so it will transition well into fall. Has some ruching down here at the bottom. We will see how that looks on. Has adjustable straps, so I can pull those down a little bit. And then the cutest factor is this little tie knot thing going on in the back. Love this. Gosh darn it, Nicole, what are you doing? I was kind of like, oh, well, I have the style pass, so I'm just going to send all this back. But now, that one's really cute. Okay. Ooh, here's another little cute one. This is also by Nine Britain. See, she knows. She knows what's happening. And it is this very pretty purpley lavender pinky color. Picking out more pink on camera, I would say it's more lavender in person. Just like this cute little top. I'm thinking that the shoulders might be able to do kind of like an off the shoulder effect happening. But yes, very simple, cute. Love it. Okay. Okay, here is the blue gauzy dress she was talking about. I used to have something kind of similar to this. Okay, look at the cute little beads. That is very surfy vibes. The blue is quite blue. I mean, it's definitely like a royal. And it has a little tie here. I don't know if that's a working tie. and it is short with some different tiers going on. First impression, I'm not like super duper in love with this. It's okay. It's nice. I don't know. It's not like I'm like pining over it, you know? Okay, here are some, on the last few Studio Blue shorts she sent me, I kept too. See, I think she knows what she's doing. Finding brands I like and then sending them to me. These are cute white shorts. I have one pair of white shorts that fit fine, but I do feel that they get dingy pretty easy. Look at cute little distressing there. So for me, and some distressing down here too, I'm always okay with having more white shorts, especially because I self-tan, because I'm a real white girl. And so they just, and I'm clumsy and I spill stuff on everything. Sorry, noise. So I just always need like new, fresh white things. Okay, let's check out the shoes. OMG, how freaking adorable are these? These are a love. Love a wedge. Pretty much is the only thing I can wear these days. Got those bad ankles, tell you what. This is so freaking cute. Love this. Cute. This is, I think, Dolce Vita. The thing about Stitch Fix shoes, though, is they tend to be expensive. And although I'm interested in quality, good shoes does feel pretty nice there. I tend to be a little bit cheap with my shoes. So I usually just stick with like Amazon. Sometimes even Walmart. I don't know. Okay, well, let's try on some pieces. Okay, here I am wearing this beautiful blue dress. I think it's cute. I think it's a lot of fun. It's a nice light material. I think it's very flattering. I think it's great. I just don't really feel like I need it. So I don't know. It's really cute though, right? I don't know. Something about it. Maybe it's the blue. I don't know. These shoes though, so freaking cute. But I'm just gonna tell you that it is just too high of a heel for me, which is so sad. I used to wear like the tallest heels. I just really don't want to break my ankle. I just can't do it anymore. But they are very, very cute. They look cute with this dress. So yeah, both pieces, very cute. All right, let's jump into some shorts and some tops. Okay, here we are with these next two pieces. I really like both of these pieces already, and I'm like, no, don't like them. But I really, really do. Okay, so this top is so cute. Let's talk about the shorts first. These are the STS blues. These fit me so well. They're comfortable. They're fine length. They're so nice. Like, I think they're great. A little bit of distressing here and up here on the pocket. Some pockets in the back. They're not like super see-through, so that's good. I think they're so cute. I just don't necessarily know if I need them because I already do have a pair of white shorts, but I do love this brand. Very cute. This top is also just adorable. The ruching at the bottom is really cute. You can kind of, you know, pull it up, make it shorter if you wanted to, or down. The highlight is this cute little knot action happening here. How cute is that? Love that. So cute. Probably this top is my favorite. Yes. Love. All right, one more top. Okay, this next little top by Nine Britain is so cute, very sweet. Love the little flutter sleeves. It's very flowy. You can do a front tuck with it, which would be really cute for work. Like I can see this working really well for work. And then you could always kind of do this action if you wanted to kind of make it a little bit something extra. If you're going out, something like that. So I think this is cute as well. You know, the more I wear this, the more I really like it because I do think it would just be nice and easy and breezy, beautiful for work. So I don't know. Okay, I think pricing is going to tell us a lot, so let's jump into that. Okay, let's start with the DV by Dolce Vita wedge shoes in blue, $45. That's actually a really good price. If the wedge on this was a little bit smaller, I'd probably go for it. but it's just as cute as they are. It will just sit in my closet and I'll choose something more comfy, something I know I won't kill myself in. So those are gonna go back. Then we have the 9 Britton Joan flutter sleeve top in light pink. To me, this looks a little bit more lavendy purple, but they say light pink, size medium, $40. Really good price point. So cute. I know this seems like simple, but it is, but I kind of really like it. Studio Blue Carmen High Rise Easy Denim White, $44. Also a great price for those shorts. 9 Britons, this little cute one. Adkins tie back detail top in red, size medium, $38. Also a very good price. What is happening, Nicole? You're killing me. And then we have the General Good, that blue dress, heavily tiered gauzy dress in blue for $54. So not a bad price, but I just know I don't need the shoes, the dress, so this will not be a 5 out of 5. I probably will send back the white shorts. I think they're amazing. Maybe another time, another place. But the 2 tops, this one is $40, which I know you're like, you could get that at TJ Maxx for like $20, but really you can't, because it's good. And then this cute one is $38. I'm probably going to get both tops. I know I probably shouldn't get anything, but I have a problem. I like lots of different tops. I like many choices. And work is about to start back up. I'm a teacher, so I need some fresh choices. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I will comment below. I'm going to take some time and think about it. I'm going to relook at that footage because you can always see some things in footage, which is fun. And I hope you guys are doing great, and I'll catch you on the next one. Okay, take care.